Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So happy Vlogmas day 16. Today I am on the hunt for a band for my watch. I told y'all yesterday, oh my elbows are so ashy. I told y'all yesterday that I was not able to find a kiosk in the mall. I really didn't look that hard because I got a little caught up when I went to the mall. So a few of you guys told me to check out TJ Maxx and Target. I did look on Amazon and they just basically had like the stainless steel bands, and then they had like pinks, purples, you know, stuff that I'm not into. So I'll probably end up getting like a gold or a rose gold. I also like the black one too, the metal black one. That one looks pretty cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx and Target first to see if I can find something right now, and if I can't, then I'll order from Amazon. But I wanted to show you guys these pants that I tried on yesterday, because I did try on the other two pair of pants that I bought before popping the tag. I have to try my clothes on because my legs are big and I would hate to have popped the tag off and then can't return them. But you guys remember when me and Chelsea went to H&M and I bought those beige like knitted bottoms? Well, when I tried them on, they were giving me like pajama vibes. They was just like, the fit just was not working out, and y'all know I purchased those in a medium. So yesterday while I was in the mall, and I forgot to show y'all these pants yesterday, but yesterday while I was in the mall, I ended up switching them out. They didn't have a large in that color, so I ended up getting the gray large. So let me show y'all how they look. I have them on right now. So this is it. Now they fit really big. I'm short, so you know they're a little baggy at the bottom, and they don't have pockets, so that's what's throwing me off. But I don't know how I feel about them, and I mean, it's just not giving me any shape at all. Let me try to tighten up this, and I'm like depending on y'all to tell me, should I keep these or should I take them back? Again, these are from H&M, and this is a size large, but I have the tag right here, and I have a short torso, so I just feel like, I don't know, and I just threw on some heels so you can kind of get, because I'll probably wear these with some heels, like if I get like a gray sweater or a gray top to go with it. So I'm gonna wait for you guys to tell me in the comments if I should pump them or dump them. Okay, because I'm so short, y'all. I am 5'4". I say I'm 5'5", but the doctors always say I'm 5'4". So I mean, I like the fit, but I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think, please. I need y'all help. What should I do? Should I keep them or take them back? And I need to find like some tops for the knitted pants. Those knitted pants look so good on. It makes your booty look extra good. So I need to go find some of those knitted tops, because it was a lot of people in Forever 21 yesterday, so I really didn't have time to look for them. But you know, sometimes they'll have the tops together with the pants, but they didn't. So, but I'm sure I could find a top to go with those. But with these, I just got them pulled way up here, because if I don't, they're just like, I don't know. So, but I think they're supposed to be high waist. So y'all let me know, should I pop the tag off or should I take them back? I really wanted the tan ones, but they didn't have them in the size large, and the medium was just straight pajama sleepover. Like it wasn't giving me what I needed. Let me show y'all the other ones that I didn't try on. They're so cute. Now these look so cute, and I love how thick the material is. and they're so soft. I'm putting on my shoes so y'all can get into the whole look. All right, here is, let me put this thing down. All right, so here's the blue pair. Tie these up, but they just look so cute on, and they're so soft. So yeah, here they are, and I love how soft these are. I want to go back and try to look for some more in some different colors. I shop like that, y'all. If I like something, I'll buy the same thing in a different color. I don't know, it's just a habit that I have, but it feels so soft. Girl, look at this watch, girl. Where are you going with this gym watch on? So yeah, so comfortable. Love these. I've already popped the tag on these. I'll definitely be keeping these. I want to find a pair in like a tan color and a white in this exact style, because I'm telling y'all, these things are so soft. So I like that. So yeah, let's, oh, and this is one of the tanks that I bought. I like these because the material is a little thicker and you can wear your bra with these instead of the other ones that's like, I think like $3.90 or something like that, or $2.90. The little camis that has like the spaghetti straps. Those used to be one of my faves when my boobs was sitting up a little more. So let's go to Target and TJ Maxx, see if we can find a band, and then I'm gonna come back home and make my pizza, because it should be lunchtime by the time I come back. Y'all know I'm not a big breakfast person. Oh, I need to try those breakfast sausages. Maybe I'll make a few of those really quick, and then I'll tell y'all how I like them. And then when I come home, I'll make my pizza. So hopefully we can find a band for the watch. So let's go. All right, y'all, we're at TJ Maxx.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is
Thank you.
blanket with the starlight painted blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Y'all, it's so nasty out here. I gotta hurry up and get home. Okay, y'all, so I made it back home. It is wet and cold outside. Unfortunately, I did not find a band. I did try TJ Maxx and Target. The lady said in TJ Maxx they had like 3 left and they were sold out. So I didn't find anything in there, and then I didn't like any of the ones that was in Target, so I guess I'm gonna have to order it from Amazon. But I did stop by Homegoods and I found some goodies, so I'm gonna share them with you guys. So the first thing that I picked up was this potato masher. I needed one of these. I haven't had one in years, and if you guys know me, y'all know I love mashed potatoes. I love potatoes, period. So got one of those, and then I found this cute little I don't even know what you would call this. It's like a little stool. I've been looking for one of these because I want to use it on my stand over there with the mirror. Y'all know the one that's by my table. So yeah, I found this. They had a lighter wood, and then they had this one, and then they had maybe like 2 or 3 different sizes, but this one was the smallest one. This was only $9.99. So I thought this was so cute because, like I said, I've been like on the hunt for one of these. So I was so happy when I saw it, and when I grabbed it, the lady that was next to me, she was like, oh, that's so cute. And then this one was $6.99. And then I found this really nice table book. Let me show y'all. We're gonna open it up. This book was only $39.99. I'm gonna show y'all how the book looks. So nice. So this is it. Really nice book. And I know this book retails for $90, I think, and it was only $39.99 in HomeGoods. If you guys want to see some of the pictures in the inside. Yeah. That. So snag that one. And then, are y'all ready for this? When I saw it, I was so excited. I have one already, and I've seen Kiva has this same color. I've seen it on her Instagram. So this will go either in my studio or my bathroom up front, but I'm leaning more towards the bathroom up front. But are y'all ready? It's so nice. It's just like my black one. Y'all know I have one of these already, but the white one just looks so good. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see how it looks. It's probably coming up like a bright white, but it's not a bright white at all. But it's really nice. So like I said, I'll either put this in my studio or my front bathroom, but I think I'm leaning more towards the front bathroom because I'm giving my front bathroom a makeover, because it has some of my old decor from my old place in there, and I'm kind of over that. I gave my front bathroom kind of like the spa vibe, which I really like, but I want to just update some things in there. So yeah, my new baby. So nice. And this piece was the same as my other one, $59.99. I found it at HomeGoods, the HomeGoods on Kernan. This was the only one in there. Everybody, it seemed like every time I grabbed one of these, everybody's like, oh my god, that's so nice, blah blah blah, but this was the only one, and I snatched them up. So yeah, that's all that I picked up for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my lunch because I'm hungry, and yeah, so let's go do that.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Give you advice. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Let it show. Always got you on my mind.
Okay y'all, so I actually forgot to show y'all the pizza once it was done. It was so good, and we ate it all. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Sharika B, and I will see you guys on the next one.